Everything good on that side of the line?
Yep, it seems like it.
Copy that. We're gonna send 50 ahead of you and then you'll be clear. Copy?
I'm at RDB.
Copy.
Copy that. Clear to BSL.
52 DBL.
52 clear to OBL.
Copy.
Love the order of the run numbers. We reversed it.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
You're clear to RDB 49. Copy?
Alright, copy that. Just gotta figure out why my camera keeps sending me to random different trains every time I hit one or two. There we go. Turn off. Alright, on my way.
So I just got the maintenance guy asking, did you happen to find any, there was a red toolbox at RDB, someone left there? Did you happen to see anything?
I haven't checked. I didn't see anything that stood out. I'll take a closer look when I arrive.
Cover that.
I'm at BSL.
Cover that, stand by. 50, did you see anything at RDB? Any toolboxes by any chance? Some of the maintenance guys were working overnight and they left something.
No, I didn't see anything.
Cover that, sir. You're cleared to BSL.
They left their phone in it and rang it.
They
Wait,
left
did you say that I'm clear or?
Yeah, clear to BSL. Copy?
I'm at BSL.
Copy. Clear to DBL.
Alright, at RDB.
Copy that. Clear to BSL.
I'm just taking a quick look here.
52 OBL.
Copy. You're cleared to STS.
Copy.
Alright, this is 49. Doesn't look like there's a red lunchbox or something. Oh my. A red toolbox or something around here. I think they might have left it somewhere else. Probably hiding in the back of their truck.
Copy that. Thank you.
Okay, what station did you say that there was a red box left at?
They said they left it at RDB. Would someone pick it up on your street?
That's probably what happened. Someone's like, look at this. There's probably some fancy tools in here. I'm gonna steal it.
50 at DBL.
Copy. You're cleared to OBL.
49 on its way to BSL.
Copy.
Yeah, this is 52. I was actually given a red box by a civilian, but they said that they saw it on the trackway a little close to the tramway, and they brought it up to me and said that they believe it was maintenance crews.
Okay, copy that. That's perfect. Yeah, our guys were just calling with that. I'm gonna send someone a GRM. They'll try to meet you and grab it from you, one of the 4 persons.
Copy.
They'll be waiting for you on the lead end, or on the eastbound end.
Alright. We copy that.
49 arriving at BSL.
Copy that, sir. Stand by.
I'm at OBL.
Copy. Stop and stay.
Okay, last frequency, red box has about most of the tools, I'd say, and it looks like there's a kit here. Looks like it's missing a large Phillips star. Can you confirm if that screwdriver that was missing is a Phillips star?
Run 49 on that screwdriver you saw.
Actually, I'm at BSL now, so let me just take a look at it quickly.
Oh, you took it on the streetcar?
No, it was left at BSL, so I'm just gonna get out of the streetcar and take a look at it.
Oh, okay.
You know, you can't predict what type of screwdriver it is from like a streetcar that's moving at like 25 kilometers an hour.
52, you're cleared to GRM, and the guy should be there on the platform now. You just see him on the camera.
Copy.
Alright, this is 49. Looks like it is a Phillips screwdriver.
It is a Phillips?
Yes.
There you go. You're cleared to OBL there. You're at OBL or 50?
Yeah, I'm at OBL.
Copy, clear to SDS.
Alright, so 49. I'm gonna take the screwdriver with me.
Copy, yeah, the guy will wait at GRM for you for a screwdriver.
Alright, copy that.
You're at BSL, right?
Copy that. That is correct.
You're cleared to DBL.
Copy that. 49. Clear to DBL.
At STS.
Copy, stop mistake.